Hello everyone. Today I will show you step by step how to connect your Hisense Smart TV to your phone's hotspot. Before we start, check the link in the description to try NordVPN at a great price. If you often use a hotspot for streaming, NordVPN can help you stay secure and access content from other countries. First, turn on the mobile hotspot on your phone. On most Android phones, you can find this in the settings under Connections or Network and Internet, then Hotspot and Tethering. Next, turn on your Hisense Smart TV. Using the remote, press the Home button and go to Settings. Then select Network or Network and Internet, depending on your model. Choose the option for wireless or Wi-Fi connection. The TV will scan for available networks. When you see your phone's hotspot name in the list, select it. Enter the password for your hotspot exactly as it appears on your phone. Then select Connect. Your Hisense TV should now be using your phone's internet connection. If the connection fails, make sure your phone's hotspot is active, your data plan allows tethering, and your phone is placed close to the TV for a stronger signal. Once connected, you can open your streaming apps and watch your favorite shows. For even more content and better security, you can connect your hotspot to NordVPN before linking your TV. This way, your smart TV will have the benefits of a VPN without needing to install it directly. Once again, check the link in the description to try NordVPN at a great price and make your hotspot streaming more secure and open to more shows worldwide.